this is in number 1, construction of analytic functions. So already we seen the what is harmonic functions based on the CR equations. Similarly, this is also based on the CR equations. But here is question is how to construct the analytic functions, that is find f of z, small f of z from the given functions. The functions are u is given, or v is given, or u plus v, or u minus v is given in the problem. First we shall identify the given problem is real part or imaginary part. For that case we are following the formula here. So we have two formulas enough to learn. Remaining two is as it is we can write the previous formula is enough. So how to remember the formula means I can tell the hints here. This hints is very useful to remember the formulas. This one is we know f dash of z equal to ux plus ivx. This is a derivative formula for the CR equations. F dash of z equal to ux plus ivx. These are main formulas. Using this one I will construct the remaining four formulas. So this one is enough. Okay, this one is enough. Go through this formula is very important one. Don't forget this. So f dash of z equal to ux plus ivx. So suppose the given problem is u is given means, so here is the function both are must be in terms of u itself. So here is u of x is already present here. So next we can replace this vx by using CR equations. What is vx minus uy? So we can replace vx in terms of minus uy. Therefore f dash of z equal to ux minus iuy. So this is a formula for the u is given. So similarly here is we can take the integrations. What is integration of f dash of z? That is f of z. Then ux minus iuy is already right here. So next, this is another important one at the point z comma 0, z comma 0. So x is z, y is equal to 0. So another thing is an important way to find the formula is using this method, f dash of z equal to ux plus ivx. So u is given means both function must be in terms of u itself. V is given means both are must be in v itself based on the CR equations. So u is given means replace this vx based on uy minus uy. Next at the point z comma 0, at the point z comma 0, integrate on both sides, we get these formulas. Similarly for v is given means you can replace this ux in terms of vy. Therefore your formula must be in, so v is given means f dash of z equal to vy plus ivx. Here is at the point z comma 0, here is at the point z comma 0. So next integrating on both sides, f dash of z is nothing but f of z, then remaining value we are right with respect to z here. This is a very important one here. Okay, so this one formula is enough to remember all the four formulas here. So be careful here. Okay, so next, suppose u minus v and u plus v is given in the problem means. So how can find which one is real part, which one is imaginary part? It is a difficult one to find the real and imaginary part. For this case we can take capital F of z equal to capital U plus I capital V. Here is u is nothing but u minus v, v is u plus v. So u minus v is nothing but real part, v is nothing but v plus u plus v is imaginary part. So minus is real part, plus means imaginary part. So u is already know the formula for u. So u is nothing but this is a formula for u, but you can replace capital U. Here is capital U. This one is capital F of z. Okay, next we can find the small f of z by using the formula here. Small f of z equal to capital F of z divided by 1 plus I. So for only the case number 3 we can using these two formulas is compulsory. This one is as it is the previous formula, but we can replace u equal to capital U. Again u equal to capital U, small f equal to capital F dash of f of z here. So therefore small f of z equal to f of z divided by 1 plus I. This is a formula here. Okay, we can write as it is the remaining things here. So next we shall go through the problem number 1. Determine the analytic functions w equal to u plus iv if u equal to e power 2x into x cos 2y minus y sin 2y, or construct the analytic functions by using Mill and Thomson method. If we have questions kekla, okay va. So this is a very important one. So first we can identify which function is given. So u is given. So u is given means what is the formula for u for considering analytic functions. So u is nothing but this one, f of z equal to integration of ux at the point z comma 0 minus I into uy at the point z comma 0. So real part is given. Suppose imaginary part is given means we can write this formula. Illana u minus v and u plus v are given means we can write this method here. Okay. So first we can go through the solutions for the problem number 1. So first we can write u equal to the given problem, that one is the real part. U equal to, next we can multiply e power 2x inside the bracket. So u equal to e power 2x into x cos 2y minus e power 2y, that is e power 2x y into y sin 2y. Next to find dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y from equation number 1. First we can find dou u by dou x. First we can identify which one is constant term from this. So cos 2y we can take outside. This one is u and v is given. So u v form. So first we can fix x as it is. Differentiation of e power 2x is 2 into e power 2x plus differentiation of x is 1. Then fix e power 2x as it is. Then minus, here is which one is constant term. These two are constant term. We can write here. Then integration of e power 2x is 2 times of e power 2x. Next multiply here and simplifying this one, we get the solutions. So next at the point z comma 0, put x equal to z, y equal to 0. So what is cos 0? Cos 0 is 1. Replace x equal to z. Replace x equal to z. Replace x equal to z. Put y equal to 0 means this sum must be in 0. Therefore, z 2z into e power 2z plus e power 2z. I can take e power 2z outside. The remaining value is 1 plus 2z into e power 2z. This one is dou u by dou x at the point z comma 0. Next, similarly, you can find dou u by dou y at the point z comma 0. So dou u by dou y means, so these two are must be in constant term from given equations. Differentiation of cos is minus 2 sin 2y into 2 minus, here is e power 2x is constant term, then y sin is present here. So using uv form I can fix y as it is. Differentiation of sin is cos 2y into 2 plus differentiation of y is 1, then sin 2y. Next put at the point z comma 0. So here is what is sin 0, 0. So whole function must be in 0. Here is also put y equal to 0. This one is 0. Sin 0 is 0. So answer must be in 0. Therefore, by Millen-Thomson method, we have for real part f of z equal to integration of dou u by dou x at the point z comma 0 minus I into dou u by dou y at the point z comma 0 into dz. Therefore, f of z equal to, we replace the value here. Next, we can split this one is in terms of two integrations. One is e power 2z into dz plus 2 times of integration z into e power 2z dz. So what is integration of e power 2z? E power 2z divided by 2 plus 2 into, this one is Bernoulli's formula we can apply here. Here is both are, one is exponential form, one is a variable function variable form. So by using Bernoulli's formula, integration of uv dx equal to uv1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3 minus etc. U dash u double dash are differentiations with respect to x. v1 v2 are integrations with respect to z here. So I can take u equal to z, v equal to e power 2z. Be careful here. So every variable we can take u, every exponential form and a trigonometric form we can take v. Okay. So I can take v equal to e power 2x. What is u dash? 1. U double dash is 0. v1 integration of e power 2z is e power 2z divided by 2. Again integration of e power 2z divided by 2 is e power 2z divided by 4. So replace in these formulas, we get this one is u double dash must be in 0. We can leave it that one. So replace the values, cancelling these two. So we get f of z equal to z into e power 2z. So problem number 1. Next problem number 2. These are very important 13 mark questions. Given that u equal to sin 2x divided by cos h2y minus cos 2x, estimate the analytic functions or construct the analytic functions. Okay. So u equal to, that is real part is given. So next, by using Millen-Thomson method, we have these formulas. Okay. Already I told how to remember this formula. F dash of z equal to, so f dash of z equal to, we get the formula for this. So f dash of z equal to, f dash of z equal to, we can write the formula ux plus uy. Okay, that method is enough, but here is I'm not able to write here. So f dash of z equal to, one is ux then plus, this one is plus, so plus into IVX. So replace everything must be u terms by using CR equations. We can write this one, f of z equal to dou u by dou x into z comma 0 minus I into dou u by dou y of z comma 0 into dz. So these are biggest form problems. So first, next to find dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y in equation number 1 by using u by v form. So here is I explain all those things here. This is a formula for u d of u by v. So u equal to sin 2x, du equal to cos 2x into 2, v equal to cos h2y minus cos 2x, dv equal to sin h2y into 2 plus sin 2x into 2. So differentiation of hyperbolic function is not negative, the positive value is present. So this is important one for hyperbolic functions. Okay. So next explain this one and substitute values here. Next put x equal to z, y equal to 0 here. So we get this formulas 1 minus cos 2z and 2 times of cos 2z minus sin 2 sin square 2z divided by 1 minus cos 2z whole square. Next explain this one and taking 2 outside here, cos square 2z plus sin square 2z is 1. So next you can take 2 outside, minus 2 outside, we get 1 minus cos 2z divided by 1 minus cos 2z, cancelling 1 power here. So minus 2 divided by 1 minus cos 2z, cancelling 2, 1 by sin square is minus cosecant square z. So one values we find here. Next with respect to y means same u by v formulas using with respect to y method. Here is everything must be in 0 here, 0. Here is you can tell the one idea here. So u is given means, so every derivations with respect to y must be in 0 at the point z comma 0. This is 99% occurs here. Okay, only u is given. Suppose v is given means u with respect to x must be in 0, y is present here. Okay, that is a method identifications. Easily we can identify. Don't write similarly 0, just we can elaborate that one. Next we can put that is equal to 0. Next apply the formulas here. F of z equal to minus cos square z, this one is 0 dz. So integration of cos square z is cos z. So f of z equal to cos z plus c. These are final solutions. And last problem is determine the analytic functions f of z equal to u plus iv if u minus v equal to e power x cos y minus sin y. So here is very difficult one to find the real part and imaginary part. So u minus v is given means already told u, capital U. U plus v means capital V. So the given problem is real part. So write the formula for that. Capital F of z equal to, everything must be in capital letter form. Okay. And small f of z equal to capital F of z divided by 1 plus a. These two formulas occurs in u minus v and u plus v. Similarly we can find as it is method here. So find dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y at the point z comma 0, at the point z comma 0 we get this value. Then integration of e power z is nothing but e power z. So 1 plus e power z, 1 plus I into e power z. So that is a capital f of z. So replace small f of z equal to capital F of z divided by 1 plus I. Therefore 1 plus I divided by 1 plus I, cancelling these two we get e power z. So answer is e power z. So these are very very important one. So I will do only the u minus v form and u form. Similarly v is given means the same ditto we can find the solutions. Formula is not a difficult one, that is also very very easy to formulas. So be careful for this. Construct the analytic functions of the given functions f of z. This is a question by using Millen-Thomson method or some other methods. So be careful. The formula is very very important one. First we know what is f dash of x equal to ux plus ivx. That's formula we can use the remaining 4 formulas. So be careful. Okay. Thank you.